every second year I would take either gap year or I would take an internship or scholarship or something. Yeah, probably guys that knows Erasmus understand how beneficial it is. Yeah, so after a year you can then feel like, well, I want to learn English, yeah, so you go out, and that's what I did. It was needed because academia can get a little bit too, just academic, it's like a little bubble. And I felt like, okay, I need to get out, I need to get this sort of experience, I need to see what they're actually doing in these studios, yeah, so then I can learn. And yeah, I was very curious, sort of even restless sometimes. I was given a lot of trust and freedom by my professors to do what I wanted. Yeah, so it was not really like, oh, so this is the topic, this is the subject, design this, and then deliver it to us, and we'll have a look at it. It was more like, Michael, what would you like to do? What excites you? Oh, you like these cars? Okay, focus on it, do it. Learn how to get better. And when I worked on this way, I won some competitions. And then also the school was happy, yeah, because they got some visibility, and I got some very good encouragement from it, yeah. So it sort of started rolling more and more, and the spiral got higher and higher. And I just felt like, yeah, this is what I like to do, these cars, yeah. So I focused on that, although it was an industrial design course, yeah. So looking back, I would say that was basically the main thing, yeah, having the freedom and trust and time. In terms of other topics, it was very easy, I mean, making sure that you get the credits for some the history of art, or the sort of aesthetics. And figure drawing, it felt all like fun, you just go, you listen to it, it's very interesting, then you talk about it at the exam. So that was easy to take care of, and all the other time I could either invest into myself, as getting better in car design, and or just have fun, because at the university there is a lot of ways how to have fun.